Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to remove the center console on a 2008 Volkswagen Beetle. And the reason is because the shift indicator broke, like this piece here broke. So it wasn't, it was shifting, but it was moving anyway. So and in order to, so this piece goes, you know, like right in there. In order to remove that, I had to remove the whole center console. So so let's go back to the car real quick. So I'll show you exactly how I did it. All right, so first of all, so here's where the center console goes, right? And this is your armrest unit that goes, normally it'll go right in here in this thing. There's this plate that goes in here. So the first thing I did, well, let's go back a little bit. First of all, you have to remove this piece right here. So in order to do that, you have to pull this out a little bit. This piece goes in here, so you just pull it out a little bit, and at the same time this will release and you can pull it off gently. If you see that it's not moving, don't force it, just keep again moving this out. So that was that. And this piece also goes in there, you know, like so, like so. So once you do that part, again, your center console will still be there. That's when you get back here and get into these. So again, you remove these, and there's a 13mm bolt right here. So get your 30mm socket, remove it, and then this entire armrest pulls right off. Then once you have that out of the way, let's go back now here. Then you focus now on your console, center console. So you will find two little plastic units covering this. So you remove this one, you'll remove this one on this side, and then there's I believe it's a 10mm torque. So one there, one here, and then you come back here and pull this back a little bit. Again, you have to remove the little cover that goes here and here, and again you have a 10mm a 10 size 10 torque. So you remove that, and that's it. All right, this is part 2 of installing the shift indicator on a 08 Volkswagen Beetle. So last week I went ahead and took apart the old one, and on the old one this part here fell apart. It just broke in pieces, so it wasn't allowing the to shift properly. So I went ahead and bought a new part, and we already disassembled, like I said last week, all that, the center console. So I'm going to go ahead and install this puppy. It should be very simple. I went ahead and put it on neutral, so it is easier to set this. So now see where this is going to sit right there. So just go ahead and push it, and then until it snaps. So you heard this snapping, so it's there. So that's that. Now we're gonna connect these two things here. All right, so now that we have this in place and connected, this is the center console. Went ahead and cleaned it up, and it's a little bit dirty. So it's all in one piece. So we're gonna go ahead and sit it up here. I will need both hands, so I'll do as much as I can with one. Here in the front, there's two holes here where this thing here and the other one here. It's gonna go in. Then I will connect these, which is for the cigarette lighter. It'll connect here. Then once I put, and then there's this little hole here that is for, oh, that is for that little thing here. So very easy. There's no screws, and then you have this tab here and one on the other side. So that's all. Just make sure this and that goes in with these things into those holes. What we're gonna do is so everything is in, so everything fits perfect. So now the next thing we're gonna do, there's 2 screws here. The Torx 10 millimeters, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. Then I will have one here and one on the other side. All right, you guys, so we got the center console already installed. The next step will be to install the armrest. So the armrest pretty much is gonna sit right in here. Okay, so I finished installing the stick, and now everything works fine. Neutral, neutral. So again, thanks for watching the video. Any questions, put them in the comment. Thanks.